If you are a typist with time on your hands, and if you are eager to bring yourself some added cash, then you might want to find internet typing jobs. What are internet typing jobs? These are typing jobs that are posted on the internet. One way to find a list of the websites that carry such jobs is to go to ask.com. If you do that, then you might soon find yourself visiting the website https://www.vivianvonline.com. That particular website indicates that there is a real demand for typists who will take on the various internet typing jobs. The following paragraphs provide details on some of those jobs. If you have ever been stopped by someone in the mall, or if you have been asked to take a telephone survey, then you are familiar with one important internet typing job. You are also familiar with the basic method for market research. Companies depend on market research to learn what the consumer wants. The volume of information obtained from such research needs to be typed into a report. Some internet writing jobs call for a typist who knows how to type up such reports. Once companies determine what interests their customers, then they want to communicate with their customers. Many companies do that by using newsletters sent to each customer's email address. The companies seldom ask a company secretary to type up such newsletters. They tend to enter their request for a newsletter typist among the many posted internet writing jobs. The list of internet typing jobs goes on and on. Some companies need a typist to help with the printing of ads. Some companies desire typists who will supply them with well-typed welcome emails. These are sent to those customers who sign up for the company's newsletter. Other companies seem more interested in finding someone to type up information lists. Information lists are not the only sort of list that company administrators want to see. Such administrators also want access to mailing lists, i.e. the list of customers who are receiving either the company newsletter or the company catalog. Sometimes the administrators want a list of ordered items. Typed lists of software orders are a frequent need among company administrators. Typed lists of any kind supply the company administrators with valuable information. While the customers are studying the company website to obtain information about the company's products, the company administrators are studying the many typed lists. If the available lists fail to supply the necessary information, then those administrators are apt to seek funds for more internet typing jobs. Typing, like writing, is vital to the creation of an online presence. Accurate typing ensures the delivery of easy-to-read and adequate information. Good writing adds color and interest to that information.